So, we're back. So now I'm on my lunch break, so I don't have a lot of time, but I heard we have a lot of questions out there. So I'm going to try to answer as many as I can. So I'm going to look back and see what we have, and I'm going to answer as many as we can. We'll go from there. How's that sound? All right, so what are you doing when you reach over the judge's bench at the beginning of each case? Well, we're kind of transferring information back and forth between the judge and I about the cases, about some of the litigants' names, the case numbers, stuff like that. Hopefully that answers that question from Lana. So, Kenneth, that's awesome that you're answering questions. Is Judge Milian as pretty in person? Of course. She's beautiful in person. I don't know exactly what she looks like on camera because I can see her in person, so why would I look on camera? She's absolutely beautiful, but extremely intelligent as well. All right, Rhonda. Of all the crazy cases that have come through, what's the number one case that sticks in your mind? Well, a lot of crazy cases do come through, and I would have to say years ago, we had a naked maid service case. And I have to say, out of all of them, that is the craziest. Wouldn't you think so? Bethany, are you a good dancer? And would you what's your go-to dance move? I don't know. I'll let somebody judge if I'm a good dancer or not. I believe I have a little rhythm, so I think I'm okay. I'm not sure about that. I don't really have a go-to dance move that I can call by name. So, my favorite food, Lisa. I'm a seafood person, so I don't have one in particular, but I like shellfish, lobster, shrimp, that kind of thing. So that's what we'll call my favorite food. Now, Georgia, or Georgia, I'm not quite sure if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, I'm sorry. Are you a Dallas Cowboys fan? Well, it's not like I hate the Cowboys, but I'm a Steelers fan. So I'm a Steelers fan because my dad is a Steelers fan, my mom's a Steelers fan, and their family all comes from Pittsburgh, so black and yellow for me. Hopefully that answers your question. But I don't hate, so no worries. All-time favorite songs, I really don't know that I have one. I kind of jump all over the place from a music perspective. From at the gym, I go from R&B, I can go rock, I like Southern rock at times, I like some rap, I like some pop, so no favorite, but I'm really into music. That's my motivator, especially for the gym. All right, let's see. If I'm in the middle of a case, have I found myself where I couldn't control or express my opinion? Well, let me tell you something. I respect a judge, so I would never express my opinion. Plus, she knows what she's doing. I don't. I stick to my job. She sticks to hers. But every once in a while, it's kind of funny. You may hear a little laughter in the background. That's about as expressive as we get. So every once in a while, but not really. I'll let the judge do her thing. I'll do my thing. So it says here, Chris, are you the longest-serving bailiff in show history? No, I really never thought about that. But I don't remember exactly when I started. But Marilyn was pregnant with her last child, Sophie. So I think Sophie's, 15, 16-ish. And I think the first run was 13 years. So looks like Chris, I appreciate you asking that question because I think I might be the longest serving bailiff. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Eric, how would you describe the judge as a person outside of her professional side? Fortunately, we've been around for a long time, so I've got to really become friends with Marilyn. And I respect her from a professional standpoint, but over the years, she is a fantastic person, extremely ethical, very smart, great mom, and I consider her to be my family. She's like a sister of mine. So outside of professional, she is absolutely fantastic. Jenna, have you ever had to break up a physical fight? Not really. I mean, they really don't get to that point here. We've had more kind of like the dog barking, but the tail is wagging kind of a thing. So we've had to kind of talk them down, but never really separating anybody from a fight. So